Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a viral Pinterest strategy. So here's the step-by-step guide to create it. Number one is that you will just optimize your profile and you will just use a clear profile picture and branded name and write a keyword rich bio highlighting your niche and claim your website and enable pin. Right over here you will see I will just mention my online web store. And second is that you will just understand your audience and you will just research your target audience, interest, and you will just use Pinterest trends to identify popular topics. You will just when you just tap on it like in the search, and this is the popular topics on Pinterest, like drawing ideas, wallpaper aesthetics, and girly photography, pink background, mirror selfie. So these are the popular topics on Pinterest, and you will just create high quality content and design eye catching vertical pins with the ratio of 2.3. So if I just move in my profile, so you will just create a pin. Like I will just show you how to create a pin. So right over I will just tab on it, created, and just tab on it, create pin. So you will just put the, you will see it will say that we recommended using high quality. So I will just tab a randomly picture, I will just add on it, and let's see. And make sure you will just add keywords in pin titles, like description and bold, and focus on popular but relevant keywords for your niche. So title is like New York City, and you will just add a description like busy traffic, and you will just also add a link, and you will just also add your choose a board right over here. And you will just right now I don't create a board, but you will just create a board, and you will just tag topics for your related to your niche, and be consistent. You will just post daily 10 to 15 pins daily using Pinterest, and you will just also repin your best performing content. And in this way you can just use to create viral Pinterest strategy. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.